My name is Dan Mosley, Chief Revenue Officer of GDT. We've been partners with Cohesity roughly about 10 years. We like to think we're better together. There's capabilities that we bring to the table, and we leverage Cohesity's capabilities to be able to bring a solution to our clients.
Last year, GDT was one of our award winners in our partner program, really recognizing the growth and new business opportunities we're creating together. Our customers are focused on a very complex yet important problem, and that is business resilience. GDT is able to stitch together complex solutions to solve arguably the biggest problem that faces businesses today, which is to make sure that they can keep the lights on even when the worst things happen. And the worst things may not be a cyber attack. It could be natural disaster, could be a data center fire, any number of things. So it's critical for us to have partners who understand not only how to put together complex solutions, but to deliver them at scale around the US.
We have many partners that we work with, and we maintain about 450 plus certifications globally. And Cohesity is a part of that because we want to have the most skilled individuals to be able to deliver the value that our clients expect when we're building solutions for them.
What Cohesity and GDT can do together is offer customers faster recovery. We can offer a better ROI because our solutions have better dedupe capability, are more efficient, and again, can be deployed in a variety of configurations. What does that mean for our customers? It means better business resiliency. Having partners like GDT, I think it's so critical for us, is that these solutions are complex, and they involve a lot of integration points, and they need a partner that can really dig deep into the complex solutions, integrate to a whole bunch of other systems, and be able to do it with that very personal touch that we've seen GDT deliver, which in turn creates trust.
A great example of a client engagement with Cohesity was a large financial services client that was attempting to modernize their data center environment. Cohesity brought the platform for modern data protection and cyber resilience. GDT helped align the solution to the broader infrastructure strategy, and we helped them make sure they had the implementation requirements covered. Here's what's great with that solution. The business outcome was the client now has a strategy and infrastructure for a long-term solution.
Every CEO and every CIO on the planet, they have two things on their mind right now. One is AI, and the other is cyber resiliency. And if you think about it, what is the fuel for AI? It's data. If your data is not secured, protected, and clean, how can you put that into an AI model? If you don't have that fuel, that data as fuel, AI will not succeed. Cohesity is at the intersection of those two trends and those two key deliverables in the C-suite, in the boardroom. We're here to do this, and we're doing it with our key partners.
One thing that separates GDT is that we're not focused on just reselling a product. Really where we focus is being a trusted advisor for that client. And alongside with Cohesity, we're able to build purpose solutions that lead to us having workshops with our clients that could lead to an assessment, that'll lead to a solution that can help that client achieve the goals they'd like to achieve. We make sure our clients have the solutions in place so they're not at risk and there's no issues to their ongoing business.